Metatrader4 winning strategy. This strategy is meant for Metatrader4 and not Metatrader5. You cannot use this on the Rife platform. This is strictly meant for MT4 and not MT5. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so, and do give me a thumb up. Do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning strategy. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading Strategy. You can use this particular strategy on any forex pairs at all, like AUD, USD, Australia dollar, US dollar. You can use it on Euro, Australia dollar. You can use it on any pair at all, on the Euro, Japanese yen, and you can use this particular strategy on indices like a US 30 cash, US 100, US tech. It depends what your broker calls it. You can use it to trade gold. You can use this to trade cryptocurrency like Doji, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoins, BTC Cash, and the rest. You can also use this particular strategy to trade stocks. Either you want to trade FB stocks, you can use it. You can use this to trade any stock at all. So this is a good strategy and it is simple to use. Now let me show you how to use this particular strategy. Number one thing you have to consider is this net. This particular net. This you have to consider it. Then followed by this indicator, this arrow indicator. Red is for sell, while blue is for buy. And now let's see how we use this particular strategy. As I said, the number one thing you have to consider is this net. Here at this particular point, we have this change from lime color to red. Lime color is for buy and the red is for sell. And at this particular point, we have this changing to red here for a sell signal, but that trade will not be taken until we see a confirmation from this arrow. And here we have a red arrow now for a sell signal. So when you see this, you are going to place your trade. The first trade will be taken here because we have the two indicators in agreement for a downward move on the Australia US dollar. And for continuation, you take another sell signal here. You will not take this buy signal generated by the second indicator because it is against the trend. The trend is down while the arrow is showing us up signal, so we will not take it. So the next signal we are going to take is this sell signal in agreement to this net. And let's move forward a bit. Here we see another sell here again. And this is how to use this particular strategy. You keep on taking only sell signal in the direction of this net, and this is how to use it. So it is simple as ABC, and anyone can use this particular strategy. Now let's check signal for a buy, and here is a good signal for a buy. We have this net changing to lime color here for a buy, and we have confirmation here, and this is the first place you are going to take your first trade, and the stop loss just be few pips below this net, just few pips below, and you can take a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. And this is how to use this particular indicator it is simple and anyone can use it. So you can check the history how this particular indicator play out, and if you like it, make sure you test it out on a regulated forex broker. In my video description, I drop links to some of the regulated forex broker that I am using. You can register with them. Make sure you try every strategy, either paid or free, on demo account before you take any trade on real account. Make sure you try it out on forex demo account and not on your real account, and familiarize yourself with this particular strategy or indicators before you use it on your live account. And before you take any trade, make sure you check Forex Factory to see if there's any news coming out concerning any of the pairs you want to trade, and if there's any, make sure you stay away 30 minutes before the news and 30 minutes after, so that it will not affect your technical analysis. And I will advise you, if possible, stay away from that currency for that day, because the aftermath effect might still have impact on the market throughout the day. So it is better, or I'm going to advise you to stay away from that particular currency or pairs. And this strategy, you can use it on any time frame you want. Here is it on 5 minutes on Australia US dollar, and you can use the same thing indicator, the same setting on the 15-minute time frame. But if you want to trade it on higher time frame, then I'm going to show you the setting, what you need to change. This is it on the 15 minutes, and this do give us a good run. And if you want to use it on the higher time frame, like 1 hour, you need to change the setting. Here is it on 1 hour. To some extent, it is okay, and you are going to win most of your trade. But if you want to trade on higher time frame, there's need for us to change the setting. Now that I change it to H4, we do not have the net again on our chart. Now let me show you how to change this setting if you want to use this indicator or strategy on higher time frame. This trend cloud indicator, the time frame I use for my setting is H1. So I'm going to have I'm going to trade on lower time frame, H1 downward. So if I want to trade on H1, then it's advisable that I change this to H4, and you're going to see the difference now. Here is it on the H4 setting, and this is what we have. And on 5 minutes, see what we have. The net will be far away from the candles. So if you want to trade it on the, here's it on H4, and if you want to trade on H4, it is advisable that you use a D1 setting, and I'm going to change it to D1 now. So here's it on the, based on D1 setting for this particular indicator. So this is how to set it up. And the second indicator I use for this strategy is half length indicator. But before then, let me change it back to my H1. So the second indicator I use for this particular strategy is half length indicator, and this is just the color, and this is how I set it up. But never mind, you can use my template. I'm going to drop my template in the video description, so you can download the indicator and use the template also, so that you have the same chart like mine. Do not forget to give me a thumb up. This is all I need from you, and this particular strategy is meant for Metatrader4 and not Metatrader5. Make sure you try it out on a regulated forex broker and on demo account. Do not go live with any strategy, and make sure you follow money management on a daily basis, and do not forget to check FOREX Factory before you place any trade on a daily basis. This is a winning tool that anyone can use, and this is meant for Metatrader4. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, Joe, and bye for now.